and welcome to the SR Gopal Rao Collective. Do you know why we celebrate the National Army Day on Jan 15th? Well, even though we got independence on 15th August 1947, we still had a British officer as the commander-in-chief. It was only on 15th Jan 1949 that Indian General K.M. Cariappa took over as the first Indian commander-in-chief. To celebrate this momentous day, we celebrate the National Army Day on 15th Jan every year. Now let's talk about something that you might have not really thought about. Even before entering the army, your vision is really important. There's something called as the color vision test, also known as the Ishihara test, which all cadets have to undergo before they can even join the army. Vision is right important from you enter the army till the very end. Well, the eyewear that is used in the battlefield is called tactical or ballistic eyewear, which is usually super big and it covers your entire face, and it's military grade, it's manufactured separately, and the materials used are also such that they withstand anything that comes their way on the battlefield. A close resemblance to the tactical or ballistic eyewear are these ones from Oakley. They're called as Jawbreaker, and as you can see, they have really large frame and they fit the eyes very well. They cover it completely such that there's no debris or dust that can enter the eye. And one of the key features of this model is that they have really high impact protection. Now, when it comes to army officers and their style, they are really well known for carrying a certain persona, a certain gusto when they walk, when they talk on the battlefield. And when it comes to their eyewear, the most common ones that are widely seen are these wrap-arounds. If you see, this one's from Ray-Ban and it sort of wraps around your ear and fits very well, snug fit, and which is why it is a popular choice amongst a lot of army officials. Similarly, this one is from Maoism. Another really popular choice among army officials are these beautiful Wayfarers. They are known for its classic shape. These are from Ray-Ban and they also fit really snug on your face and they have a very particular shape. If you look at the curvature here, it is super snug on your ear. And these are also Wayfarers. If you see, their temple is slightly more thicker than the other one and they look really classy. And of course, we cannot forget the classic old aviators. If you remember, we also did a video on how pilots wear aviators. So there we spoke about how aviators have trickled down from pilots to the army and navy and civilians. So aviators are also a very popular choice among the army officials. Now let's talk about modern day army officers or how they are represented in pop culture or movie references. If you think about it, eyewear has also changed with time, even for army officers. So these ones from Cutler and Gross are vintage aviator style inspired glasses. They have this stunning double nose bridge. They're extremely lightweight and they're really classy. Movie stars like even Shah Rukh Khan, who have played an army officer, choose to wear something like this. What I also have with me here are these stunning Ray-Ban sunglasses. They are also a modified variation of the aviators. They're called Jack and they're made of titanium and they're also very lightweight and it's super fit and looks really classy. Now, if you noticed that all the eyewear that we just showed you, there's one thing that ties them all apart from being the perfect choice for army officers. It's that they're all in a certain earthy palette. Browns, blacks, greens, slight bit of blue here and there, that only in the lenses, and these are the actual common preferences for army officers. And if you really are inspired by that kind of look, that is something that you should definitely try for. We cannot end this video by not talking about the veterans. To all the veterans, firstly, we salute you for your duty and honor that you have brought into the country for so many years. Now, you've taken good care of the country. It's time to take care of yourselves. Do not forget to get regular eye checkups. It's a very small step, but it makes a really big difference. From everyone here at SR Gopal Rao, we wish you all a very happy National Army Day. Let's continue to honor the strength, dedication and resilience of the Indian Army.